Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some breezy and mostly cloudy conditions across the region this morning. It's going to be the case pretty much the remainder of the day today with some breezy conditions, possible wind advisory for later this morning in the afternoon hours, as well as mostly cloudy skies. We'll see some partly cloudy skies tomorrow morning before we see more cloud cover roll in with a stronger system moving through on Friday with some windy conditions as well as some rainfall across the region. Our sounding from this morning, freezing level at 10,400 feet, winds out of the northwest and north. In the low levels, anywhere from about 20 to 30 knots up through 9,000 feet. Then Sierra winds increase at 16,000 feet up to 44 knots. And see our peak wind this morning at 20,000 feet out of the northwest at 48 knots. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, we have a strong area low pressure just off the New England coast down to 976 millibars. We have a weak trough that's moved through our region this morning that gave us a few light sprinkles about an hour and a half ago. We'll have high pressure starting to build in the region briefly for tonight into tomorrow before potent upper level low and a surface low develops across the region for our Friday, and that's going to give us some unsettled conditions on Friday. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see we do have the eastern portion of the Delmarva Peninsula this morning covered in cloud cover, western portion seeing a lot more sunshine. We'll see variable cloudiness throughout the morning hours, then we should see more mostly cloudy to perhaps overcast skies for this afternoon with cloud cover developing around 3,000 feet across the region with some fair weather cumulus clouds or stratocumulus clouds across the region. Taking a look at our current camera shot and viewing the south portion of the Delmarva here, you can see that stratocumulus deck around 1,500 to 2,000 feet this morning. Also seeing some clouds around 5,500 to 6,000 feet, and panning off to the north and to the west, you can see fairly similar cloud coverage across the region. Looking more fall-like out there this morning with some color change to our foliage or trees across the region. And looking at our European model the next few days, see that area low pressure still strong this afternoon, departing off to the north and east over the open Atlantic. We'll have high pressure briefly built in tonight that allow us to see a fairly decent radiational cooling night, temperatures in the upper 40s for overnight lows. And then for our Thursday, we'll see that area high pressure retreat off to and over New England, and we'll see that area low pressure and upper level low and potent at 996, and then developing a possible another area low pressure near the Delmarva for Friday, Delmarva, and that'll give us some windy conditions as well as rainfall likely. Some of that could be heavy at times, so looks like a fairly dreary and windy Friday. We'll also see some minor coastal flooding possible on Friday. We'll see the stronger winds, possibly up to 50 miles an hour along the coastline, and that could give us some minor coastal flooding. Some areas typically see some flooding, could see some moderate coastal flooding on Friday. We move into Saturday, we'll have an upper level low overhead. Should see fairly tranquil conditions with that upper level low. No real moisture source for any rain showers. Move into Saturday night, going to see a weak trough pivot through, and that could give us a brief rain shower Saturday night into Sunday morning. And then for Sunday, looks like that area of or upper level trough will continue to move northeast and away from the area, giving us a decent second half of the weekend. Then for Monday next week, looks like high pressure builds in and into Tuesday with some very nice conditions across the region, slightly above normal temperatures, but overall less cloud cover and more sunshine across the area. So taking a look at our risk chart for today, we'll see an orange for our winds, gusting up to 25 knots later this morning into the afternoon hours, continuing with a yellow for the early evening hours with a possible gust near 24 knots. We'll see winds sustained anywhere from about 10 to 15 knots and possibly higher at times for this afternoon. Our high today will be around 69 degrees, a low tonight of 49 with those light winds. And then for our 24-hour terminal forecast, should see some cloud cover thicken back in around 3,000 feet this afternoon, and then raising up to 3,500 to 4,000 feet for the late afternoon and the evening hours. And then for tomorrow morning, going to see a little bit of low-level cloud cover just off the coast, around 1,000 to 1,500 feet, and we'll see a good amount of cirrus cloudiness building in by tomorrow morning at 8 local. Our tides are currently running slightly above normal, and for Thursday and Friday, Thursday we'll see partly cloudy skies during the morning, becoming mostly cloudy to overcast during the afternoon, a high of 65. For Thursday night, overcast with a chance of scattered rain showers towards dawn, be increasing our onshore flow as well, a low of 58 degrees. And for Friday, we'll see cloudy skies, windy conditions, rain likely. Some of the rain could be heavy at times. We'll see wind gusts between 40 and 50 miles an hour on Friday, especially during the late morning and the early afternoon hours. Looks like our best chance of seeing those higher wind gusts. We'll see a high of 67 degrees. Thunderstorm activity on Friday looks unlikely at this time. We can't rule out a thunderstorm, but that chance looks like to be around 10%. Our rainfall will be in the red, as we'll see nearly 100% chance of rainfall for Friday, as well as winds easily over 25 knots, and a slight chance of seeing some lower ceilings with those heavier rain showers moving through. So the next 7 days, we'll see temperatures in the 60s, mid-60s throughout the next 7 days to upper 60s. We'll see 67 on Friday, 67 on Saturday, 66 on Sunday, 67 on Monday, and then 68 on Tuesday. So fairly uniform temperature regime. We'll see our warmest overnight low of Friday morning at 58 degrees. Then we'll see temperatures falling back into the mid-50s to lower 50s for the rest of the mornings. And we'll have a slight chance of seeing, a 20% chance of seeing that sprinkle on Saturday morning, but our best chance of rainfall, and looks like possibly a half to another inch of rainfall for Thursday night into Friday, and a 90% at this time. So looks like we're going to see a good shot of some rainfall Friday morning through Friday afternoon. That's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. We're back tomorrow morning, 8:15 and 10 a.m.